So welcome to our group's presentation. Today we will present all you guys our term project of an e-commerce sales website for Snail Locker, a smart parcel locker company. I am Hao Yang, and this is my colleague Xingyu.
Hi.
So why we choose this smart parcel locker project? In my hometown in China, we use smart parcel lockers to pick up packages all the time, which the locker has a digital panel in the center with QR code. We can scan it to either open the small door to pick up my packages or drop off for shipping. The mailman will get the item from there. Um, there will be no lost package, and we do not have to go to the post office. And the locker is always down my building. I can just take 5 minutes. So this is how my package was left in my building here in Halifax. And I believe many of you guys use the Canada Post locker like the right one. It is quite inconvenient and have great risk to lost packages. So me and Xingyu did some research to see if there's an Canadian company has similar products and how can we running the business as part of it to solve the issues that we faced. That is our term project that we found Snail Locker, a Canadian smart locker company, and we will focus on expanding its sales channel, essentially a website prototype, and becoming an online distributor of its company. So here is today's agenda. We will firstly go through introduction and then briefly analyze its business, trying to identify the potential opportunity with the PND model that we're learning in the class, and using the value proposition canvas to positioning our products website. And the last part will be simply showing what we have for the website prototype. So how Snail Locker running its business? The company has major marketplaces in Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Ontario, PEI, and Quebec. And it does have business here in Halifax, in Nova Scotia as well. The company targets on the clients who are managing residential properties, commercial buildings, education institutions, and retail stores, as long as the package delivery demand is there. The core business of Snail is Smart Parcel Locker, as I mentioned. It sells the product and related business solutions. And it is the company operating its business by traditionally using the phone sales, emails, and setting up a showroom. So when we group fully understand its business model and the products and their clients, we're questioning its sales efficiency. Here, we evaluate the efficiency issues based on first, clients' communication and feedbacks. Secondly, how good the company can manage the orders, inventory, and other data. And thirdly, how can the Snail Locker cut off unnecessary costs and efficiently sales directed to customers? To find the evidence that we are not only people struggling in using such websites, we formed a survey by Google Form to ask potential stakeholders, mainly their clients and people within the Snail Locker company. The survey questions are based on user experiences of exploring the sales, the official website, and asked if they think it is easy to use with great UX UI design features and preferences of how do they want to place orders if they wanted to do so, either through phone calls, emails, as they traditionally do, or through website or anything else. So let's go for a quick ride at their website. So this is actually what Snail Logger's official website. It's not our product prototype. It's Snail Logger's. You can see that there's too many informations over here, and their partnership, their awards they have, uh, like there are so many informations, but not one easy to use, easy to see. And once you want to check the products and the parameters or even place the orders, the only way you can go is to their gallery. And this is pretty much their gallery shows only the pictures, small pictures with the people and just placing whatever in their products. And there's no way as a salesperson, as a let's say a building manager wants to place the order, they can use this website to do so. So I guess that's probably why we does not see many places has their products. Imagine if you are a building manager and wants to place orders with them. You know nothing about their products. You go to their website and find nothing but massive information about their words and limited information about their products. And you can only do business with them by either calling the salesperson or emailing them, since there's no even showroom in Halifax. What would you do? So go back to the survey. As a result, the green window are positive feedbacks to the website, but we can clearly see uh, that how many red windows show their bad experiences. At the right side, the purple columns shows where they face challenges in using the website, from the placing orders, requesting informations, or sales communication. And the pie chart indicates that 75% of people, the green section, having strong preferences using the direct e-commerce sales website to place snail lockers orders. With the strong evidence from the survey, we further use PND model to identify real demands. The clients having pain in difficult using original websites, poor communication with the sales team, and lost in searching right product information. They need checking the model parameters to find the best fitted model, then placing the order, and might need after sales communications as well. Ideally, the clients hope to having a good UX UI designs to easily explore the website and smoothly place the orders. So the solution we group provides is a direct to customer sales website, essentially a prototype. With the pre-identified PND, the business opportunity is now including increasing client satisfaction, client engagements by the online feedback, the back office system, and expanding sales lockers business. To accomplish this prototype project, we use front-end techniques of HTML5, CSS3, PHP, and JavaScript as website construction languages, and Timberly as server. Backend includes MySQL and GitLab to store and manage the databases. For our website, we use value proposition to prove our core values to the Snail Locker companies and its core valuable clients. The clients have jobs in placing orders, requesting parameters, checking prices, and communicating if they have any questions. Our websites provide values of direct sales channel and easy to find product detail page with the parameters and the prices, and even the contact us page as well. The customers' pains of long waiting time to connect salesperson and struggling to find the product information are relieved by our 24/7 e-commerce websites, on-site message system, and the product detail page. The clients would also gain values from the user-friendly UX UI designs and easy-to-use features. To manage the product, um, we set up scoops of our homepage, login registration page, product overview page, detailed page, contact us, about company, and two run tests and validations. We did not register domain name or including any financial payment functions, since it is pretty much out of our ability and have a lot of privacy and legal issues. And our partnership with NeoLocker is not commercial, but more for academic purpose. Within the 8 weeks period, we scheduled our tests with the interface design first and coding each pages. Then we use the following week to test and validate. Here is a quick comparison of our interface by hand drawing at the left side to the actual prototype overview page we have at the right side. Then I will pass the actual prototype showcase to my colleague Xingyu, a technical person.
Okay. So when we designing this web page, we want to keep this platform be user friendly. So we follow the basic e-commerce website design principles and to ensure all necessary informations are clear and easy to access. So here in our product page, we have a product line navigation bar to tell the customer the current category of the selected product. And for the product, you can know the name, the price, and you can also check the overview image. And you can customize your product by changing the product parameter and the quantity. And next, we have a product detail page. You can explore the detailed information of the product by clicking it. And we will introduce the detailed parameters of the product, including the size, power supply specifications, recommended wall clearance, and the relevant legal certificates. And we will also provide a preview to help the customers to have a clear idea of the estimated space required for the installation of our products. And next is our cart page. One of the concepts of the user-friendly design is to ensure that users' operations are flexible and user can achieve his goals with as few operations as possible. So when designing the shopping cart page, we thought the user should get a clear interface to complete all the actions related to the shopping cart. So this page displays the product name, the unit price of each product, and the calculated price for all selected products. If a user wants to change the number of products purchased, he can simply change the quantity on the checkout page. And user can select the product they want to proceed to checkout by the checkbox. For users decide to purchase all the items in the cart, he can simply click the select all. And for products that you do not want to buy, you can either uncheck it or choose to delete it. And all those operations are responsive, so the calculated price will be changed immediately to improve the user experience. And next is our simple login and register page. We have some input validation to ensure that the user's input is correct and will not mess up our database. So first, for the name, we set a limitation to make the name must be letter only. And for the email, you must follow the standard email format. And for the password, due to the consideration of the security issues, which require the user to input a password with at least 8 characters and must include at least one of a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and special characters. And we will also ask you to confirm your password to prevent some misinput. And after that, when user successfully completes the login and register process, he will see a confirmation message to tell you have successfully registered to us or you have successfully logged to our website. And next is just a showcase of our error prevention method. So if there is an error in the user's input, the file where the error occurred will display a related error message and a suggested fix. So user can clearly understand where and why their input is incorrect. This makes our login interface more user-friendly while ensuring the security. And then is our simple about page. It's the contact page. We introduced the business, the Snail, briefly, and provided the contact method of the company. And the next part is our database. So we use the MySQL to design the database, and we have 2 tables to store different data separately. One table is for the user's login credentials. Another table is for the available products information. So next is a comparison between our initial project deliverables and our final project deliverables. And as you can see, we spend more time on understanding our clients' needs and figuring out how our deliverables can fulfill their demands. So after the finalizing the requirements and design, our development process was running smoothly. So we successfully finished the test run on our study break and finished the entire project presentation on week 8. And about the project scope, we can say we added a cart page because we believe a cart page is an essential component of an e-commerce platform. And we did not conduct the second round of the test and validation because we don't have enough time. And besides that, everything we believe is in scope as the initial stage are successfully implemented, and the features like the domain name and payment function and search bar, because those functions are out of scope, so we do not implement those functions. And here is just the overview of our website development and the project.
Yeah, thank you, Xingyu. So yeah, this is pretty much all our project about, and that we take a brief time to have in-depth understanding of sales business and key issues that they do not features in direct to customer distribution channel, and the real voice from the customer by survey. So based on the accurate mapping the issues and being as its online sales distributor, our group's website prototype solves the issues which the website's now providing and easy to use functions and direct to customer sales channel. Either the company can add our codings to their main pages, or they can just use it as sub sales sub-brand sales channel as well. So the next steps, we will deliver our prototype to Snail Locker company and monitor user feedbacks as the Snail's online distributor. Thank you. That's our references.
Thank you so much.